case of anybody, there is always one weakness: Othello, suspicion. Guru Dutt, in spite of such exceptional talent, why he had low self-esteem, I have no idea. I have not met him, or even if I would have met him, I am not a psychoanalyst. One failure, and he never directed a film. Of course he did. You can see his signature on the frames. I don't want to name the people who got the credit for it, but you could see that nobody else could shoot this scene or this song the way he did. It was, he had his signature on every frame, but never dared to give his name. This is something which is, I mean, only aroused some kind of sympathy in me. He was an exceptionally talented man. One should have seen him with more confidence. Failure is not the end of the world. ठीक है, हो जाता है. और कमाल ये है कि the film that made him stop writing, directing film, though giving his name, today the film is considered a classic. Look at that. So अब वो एक weakness थी, उसको हम बहुत ग्लैमराइज भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. There is no need to glamorize it. So he was, nobody is perfect. He was not perfect. He couldn't make up his mind in many things. साहिर साहब उनके बड़े करीब के दोस्त थे. उन्होंने कहा कि तुम्हें एक को तो छोड़ना ही पड़ेगा, और अगर तुम इसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते, उसे भी नहीं छोड़ सकते, तो मैं बताता हूँ क्या होगा, दोनों तुम्हें छोड़ देंगे. और ऐसा ही हुआ. तो कुछ डिसीजंस करेज से लेने पड़ते हैं, सोचना पड़ता है. वो उनमें कमी थी, and he paid very heavily for that.
I just want to add one thing to what Javed Saab said. I really believe that sometimes this coming of a person which is there is so pure. It's not seen a lot. A lot of people find solutions, and we always say, wish he was like this, wish he could have had this strength, wish he could have. I mean, I don't know whether it's cruel or whether it's beautiful, but I'm very thrilled that he didn't have that strength, because it just gave that feeling of, it just preserves the, almost like, he's a flower, he's just like that, he's just sensitive, just lying there. There is no defense mechanism, there is no thought, there is no mind, there is no mechanics to kind of strengthen yourself. He's just purely as an artist. I know it's very poetic, but some minds like that, the greatest artists have been like that. A lot of great artists have been like that. And we have one in our midst.
Great artists don't know that they're great artists.
Absolutely. And we have to...
Talent is not a blessing, it's a curse.
Absolutely. It's not even a curse.
You have talent, and it kind of eats you up. You are compelled, he's compelled to make films or write. Or Ghalib Saab goes from Delhi to Calcutta in order to increase his wazifa because he wants to stay alive. Often people say that artists compromise. There's this whole statement, and once you meet your heroes, you are often disappointed. But that hero is, they say he made 2 reels. I'm not sure, I've heard many stories, right? That he did what he did. But he's a man in search. And the way of making, he's trying to figure this out, and that's the beauty of him. And I think it's only possible in that non-corporate world at that time, where a man could be mad. These are legends. There are many legends about him. Half the legends must not be true. But there are stories that he came not very, quite inebriated into. So I agree with Jawza. Why did he, that one failure, what happened? I don't know, because everything is a success. Right?
I must tell you a little story about Pyasa, which we are going to see today.
There's so much. Every time you watch his films, especially, Pyasa is like a lesson in filmmaking, that every time you watch it, there's something new that you tell it. It's so beautiful. The waltz, the way it was picturized, both of them waltzing. अच्छा, उसमें lyrics में भी खेल है, वो झूलता रहता है between the man and the woman. Duet का gently कही जाती है. आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है हर चीज़ को अंडरलाइन करके, हर चीज़ को मैस्कुलिनिटी को मेल की तरह कहना और फेमिनिज्म को फीमेल.
So because we have to watch the film, guys. Burning questions. If there are one or two, love to hear them. Yes, sir. I hope there's a mic with you. Okay, we'll just pass you one. Thank you.
First, may I call on our wonderful moderator for the evening, Mr. R. Balki, Mr. Hansal Mehta. Thank you, sir. From Media and Entertainment to join us on stage. Mr. Sudhir Mishra, sir, Bhavna ma'am. We can now have the photo sessions.
मुझे याद आता है कि मैं जब ये पिक्चर देखी थी तो मैं जो स्कूल में था, ये 57 में, 57 का मतलब ये है कि आई वॉज 12 ईयर ओल्ड जब ये पिक्चर रिलीज हुई, लेकिन मुझे याद है। और उसके बाद मैंने कॉलेज, और अब तो बहुत गहरा इंप्रेशन है मुझे, बहुत अच्छी तरह याद है। और उस फिल्म से हुआ ये कि मेरा एम्बिशन ये था कि जब मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आऊँगा तो मैं जाके गुरुदत्त का असिस्टेंट बनूँगा, उनसे सीखूँगा डायरेक्शन। लेकिन हुआ ये कि मैं 4 तारीख को आया और 10 तारीख को उनकी डेथ हो गई, तो मैं तो उनसे कभी मिल भी नहीं पाया। क्या ले रहे हो तुम? इतने शोर में तुम मेरी बात ही नहीं सुन पा रहे हो। आप लोग आपस में ही बात कर रहे हो क्या है?
चलिए खींच दीजिए, आइए सुशील जी।
हाँ बोलिए, क्या है सवाल? क्या जरूरी है?
क्या
इसको 4K करने के बाद जो नई जनरेशन है वहाँ तक फिल्में पहुँच रही हैं, उस पर आपका क्या कहना है?
न्यू जनरेशन नाउ गोइंग टू वॉच इट इन 4K, ऐसा कुछ, तो उस पर आप क्या कहेंगे?
जो है, आप अपनी हिस्ट्री से, अपने पास से जो बड़े अचीवमेंट्स हुए हैं, जो बड़े काम हुए हैं, उनका अवेयरनेस आप में होना ही चाहिए। और फिर आप आगे भी देखें, पीछे का भी पता हो, बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो मुझे खुशी है कि यंगर जनरेशन जिसने नहीं देखी है पिक्चर, उसको मौका मिलेगा देखने का, और आई एम श्योर दैट दे लाइक इट वेरी मच। हो गया।
यार मैं गुरुदत्त का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन हूँ। सो एंड रिसेंटली आई रेड हिज बायोग्राफी, सो आई एंड रिसेंटली मैंने प्यासा देखी है, तो मैं दोबारा देखने के लिए बड़ा उत्सुक हूँ कि 4K में किस तरह दिखेगा स्क्रीन पे।
And what do you think about Pyasa coming 4K? मतलब ये एक ऐसी मूवी है जो ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में 4K में after a very long time.
Hats off to Ultra, hats off to PVR for showing this film, because these are the stalwarts of our industry. यहाँ से मतलब he was going to Cannes and traveling the world at a time when nobody had heard of Hindi films. So ये इंसान कुछ और हैं. So I mean the world should know about him, especially today's youth.
Right. बताना चाहेंगे अपने youth को about गुरुदत्त.
यार मुझे जो लगता है ना, जिस तरह से उन्होंने गाने को कोरियोग्राफ किया है, nobody did it before him, nobody did it like it after him. because with the story he बढ़िया है, सब बचपन से सुनते आ रहे हैं, but the way he's choreographed the stuff, the way he's picturized it with all those beautiful songs with Wahida Rahman ji, I mean it's a lesson in filmmaking. मतलब एक अलग दुनिया में डांस चल रहा है, that has nothing to do with the film, so it's such a beautiful way to tell a story, so hopefully we learn from it.
And we have heard again the press conference में ये बात हो रही थी कि इस वीक में गुरुदत्त जी की काफ़ी मूवीज यहाँ पे लगने वाली है इंडिया में. Yes, so अगर मैं आपको पूछूँ कि that one film you are excited about गुरुदत्त जी की.
मुश्किल है, कागज़ के फूल, मिस्टर मिसेस 55, साहिब बीबी और गुलाम, so many आर पार, and there's so many films of his that I would.
Hi ma'am, so how are you feeling about Pyasa and Gurudutt's 100-year legacy?
I think this is fantastic, and this is one of a kind, and whosoever has missed it should not miss it again. Generation has not felt the emotions, the beauty of his films. So Pyasa says it all. Pyasa is a combination of everything because it has love, hate, betrayal. So I think this movie should be watched by everyone. And today, the PVR has organized this. I'm very happy that we could actually go back to the history.
As a generation, this youth doesn't know more about Gurudutt and Pyasa. So in your words, if you want to tell something to youth and our generation about Gurudutt sir.
Gurudutt sir, who was very different from the tide, I must say, and he was very different from the trend. He actually redefined cinema in a different way, and his way of positioning a story was absolutely beautiful. The way he depicted love, I don't think anybody could do it. It was his forte, and the way he emoted pathos and also the cravings for love. That was beautiful. I mean, he actually sort of beautiful images on screen, and but that time there was no technical jugglery, no VFX, nothing. It was black and white stuff, but it was so it was so mindful, it was so soulful. And the beauty is that Gurudutt ji always made films which were easy, complex, but it had a very emotional, interesting, very emotional journey. And also a lot of depth. Everybody loved it. So definitely Pyasa goes without saying. Iske baad Sahib Bibi or Gulam, and one of my most favorite is Kora Kagaz. जो I think वाहिदा के साथ तो he has like a magical pair.
Correct.
And अगर आपको एक मैसेज कैसे उन्हें याद किया जाए एक वर्ड में कोई क्या वर्ड होगा?
यूथ को मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि if you love movies and if you love to sort of know more about the Indian history of films, I think Gurudutt, you cannot take Gurudutt out of that, because you have to really, really love stories, and real love stories, and love stories are not made with any gimmick, but pure love and affection.
Thank you so much.
You too, but for right now, I remember. Did you dye your hair? Shh, he says. Chup, he says. That's nice. Oh, wonderful Hansal Mehta Sahab. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute honor to share the stage with you. Few of you have the hand mic, and few of you have lapels. Bhavnadi, we're just going to dive into it, guys. All right? I'm going to start off by asking each of you a common question, which is, when did you discover Gurudutt? And what was that discovery?
Got opportunity to spend hours and days with them. But Gurudutt is one exception that I could not beat. And I really had thought that when I go, somehow I'll manage.
Well, thank you so much, Balki sir, for sharing. Sudhir sir, I wonder if you have your lapel on. Could you see? I think you need that.
Yeah. It's weird to talk about this young man called Gurudutt since we've now become older. We are all older than Gurudutt, which is fascinating, because I grew up, as we have grown up in cinema, he stayed there, and here I am, 65 years old, and, I can finally say Guru. My friend, right? So it's beautiful, and he's never left me. So I don't know where I first saw Guru Dutt as it is not influenced by him. Nothing. And I haven't measured up to him. That's another story. That's another story. I've been trying to. But, you know, every film I have taken, every scene that I have written, every song that I have tried to picturize, you cannot imagine, I mean, I can't imagine it without Guru Dutt on film. He has taught us rhythm. If you see Pyasa, you'll see it today. There is a shot in which Waheeda Rehman walks through that feeling that comes out in, you know, the actress, you know, with her ambition and giving respect to that ambition in Kagaz Ke Phool. She's not some vamp. बिछड़े तो सभी तो बारी बारी बिछड़े लेकिन कोई वजह थी. He's not over sent. I mean,
the light passing down, an arc light from the roof. Same, we tried to replicate the same thing and do it in color. It was the most vulgar replication of Kagaz Ke Phool. And video is with Z Music, who doesn't give a damn. And I'm so happy that it's over, and you know, I will make a better tribute to him someday.
That predicament becomes even more, you know, it's very deep, the what he arouses in you, in a sense, and it's an experience you can't intellectualize. I don't think it
happen only on conscious level. It is an exercise in paradox. You see, any art, whether it is filmmaking, whether it's poetry, so many times things happen. Things are written, poems are written, novels are written, films are made, and then when people, they say he empowered women. He had a soft corner for the poor people outside. Guru Dutt was not dependent on locations ever. Guru Dutt's visual, his frame used to make the location. Name any other director, even today.
Of that moment was stronger. It was not dependent on that one central performance. It was all the elements of cinema coming together, lighting, framing, the way scenes were staged. That entire, so when you talk about craft, you know, we often say that performance acha nahi hai. You don't notice that because the cinematic experience itself is so powerful that it overpowers his own inadequacy as an actor. Frame, ये दुनिया अगर मिल भी जाए तो क्या है, standing like Jesus Christ. But I mean, as an actor, I found him fairly blank. If I look at him, I don't need to, because everything else in that is so complete.
Sir, now I'm taking advantage of my age because I know many more things. Guru Dutt was to him like Abrar Alvi, like Sahir Saab, like Kafi Saab who wrote for. So I know many incidents. And Guru Dutt studio and Kamal studio were in the same compound.